Are you ready to transform how you assess property conditions? Discover the power of digital inspections with eAuditor. Learn how it enhances accuracy, accountability, and long-term maintenance planning. A tenant disrepair report assessment evaluates property defects within a tenancy. It identifies if issues result from wear, tenant misuse, or landlord responsibility. This process supports legal compliance and dispute resolution. eAuditor digitizes assessments, making them standardized and evidence-based. Capture photos, assign actions, and generate audit-ready reports effortlessly. The assessment serves both landlords and tenants by documenting property conditions. It verifies defects and their origins. Safety hazards affecting health are identified. It supports legal dispute resolution with documented evidence. Accountability is ensured through standardized defect reporting and repair tracking. The assessment covers structural, environmental, mechanical, and safety conditions. Key areas include structural integrity and moisture damage. Electrical safety and plumbing are thoroughly inspected. Heating, ventilation, and security features are also assessed. This comprehensive approach ensures a detailed property evaluation. The inspection process starts with checklist preparation. On-site inspections involve photo capture and evidence collection. Defects are classified by type and severity. Risk assessments prioritize safety impacts. eAuditor's digital tools support each stage with templates, reminders, and tracking. eAuditor generates audit-ready reports summarizing property conditions. Defect trend analysis supports long-term asset preservation. Digital records provide evidence for legal compliance and dispute resolution. Regulatory housing compliance is maintained. eAuditor ensures due diligence protection for landlords. Digital inspections with eAuditor enhance property management. From evidence-based decisions to automated workflows, it simplifies processes. Start transforming your property assessments today.